started with galamsey.
Galamsey. Me who miracles me yamushe me kakra.
Oh.
In the sense say we share the year 2024 September. Miracle was on telly. One-on-one interview.
Yeah.
And he was clear. Say Akufo Addo edim. Now ban small scale mania or no or lead demonstration against the government. Let us say on force to say yambane mining.
Yeah.
Wakano several times. Oshe eye honorable you are free MP for Efijase. Wojina Kumasi. Anu say NDC for fees or mwejimi. Now omo konko ba ne galamsey. No mo lusu omo siti nyina wo honum. Omo ba ne galamsey ne omo ba ne china. Mo ne video na meti masena ma.
Oh ya wo. Ofa ne video na kadem de ma wa no pa ne wo na ma hit dodo ntinu ma ntimi amo no.
What's it say?
Video no.
Yeah, man ne
china. We have the video.
Hey. Abai and the dim rabbi say, your forests are from Kwame Nkrumah Penso. Ye mo bia kwa manumram. So nkonko to a good year. Abai ben na yemra say Wontumi ubram. Enya ku bado abai.
Oh no.
Emra no mo ye no so kra na meto abonji o. Say yes Anna say ni say state of emergency. Then ya dey anim say.
Emra bi crash ho.
Emra bi crash ho no. Omo akopasi no kude.
Me mo video ni ma wan se wa to aso ana. Ena ba cho mo bie sound no ma me ne ente wan na.
Nanka yako nanka stop galamsey nanka you lose your seat. Yes stop you omo na. Yes stop you omo china. Na o ma ko phone TV for na ko. Na omo mo ko for ka. Na galamsey yetu no akra. Inso no akra. Omombra kumase me demonstration the speed nanka yako nanka ya stop galamsey for nanka ya lose your seat. Yes stop you omona. Yes stop china. Na omako phone TV for na ko. Na omo ko for ka na galamsey na galamsey yetu no akra. Inso no akra. Omombra kumase me demonstration and come be steady.
Commander, doesn't come by steady.
What's it? Oba no boye the most yen stop galamsey no. You know enakra. Omo pomumra kumase me come steady. Obi kasa na chese. Yes obe ye no hom do bo.
Yeah.
Da kumase insio da ho. Insio no mo se na da kumase. Kumase. So, o kasa no we de omo mo hwe nyina hu. Ojina ho Dr. Bawumia ebonanim. Ado ojina NAPO eba na enyu. Time omokoko no greti NAPO no.
Yeah.
Say that was the time. For the cancer asem. Say omo ntoko. Now, what can we nyina twa? Ana aban fofraba. Yawra 9 months. Just as if we say, having a breaking rules. As if we say, just or more a bo who bayana abawi ababi bubu a bina or motoyan. No correct. Yegina yet you. We are just one. Several videos were on.
Now, say Kate Gyamfi can say, you perceive a topic galamsey, I am training to abani. Women organizer of the ruling government, yes, and Yagano.
Yes.
Also, more per se, stop galamsey, I am to abani.
Aside that, Grano, what do you say? What the president to cry your problem? Because what no known executives are the executive are or to galamsey. I question the machine. Yeah,
Commander.
Baka, they say you per se stop galamsey or from her. I had never. NPP penifo from former President Akufo Addo so sa besi miracle Aboagye mo so. Yan fashion up nshi obi ansem. Yan man ko sia ba ko. Obaka se. Oka nsu aye sese wo krom ha nyina me de mo kanta mo ne se. Se me batu galamsey anase mi tu anase mi opebi kura se mi kwakutu a ne mo nya minie. Na de ko sia na hwe no wo hwe se no po so. Niafa NDC penifo nyina megina ho. Movement penifo nyina megina ho. Obia megina ho. Media for no one no take kati obia megina ho bi.
Nyina modua ne bi.
No obia modua. Me say ka the next day hu obia wo forest obi. Hu obia wo obi. Ba ka so omomra obia meje obia di America. Oba be kantam kese. Owie ya wo kwakutu because onim say hwe. But with the snap and the egg ne dear onim say hey adio ya me kwako yi one hwe ya just say ebe ha adwene. I am telling you say see you use that traditional means apart from whatever they say we should do. Galamsey fight aban be dey use soldier for power apart from Akufo Addo. Galam stop the operation court life Jaben just a whole lot. Ampusiaga. What do you mean Ampusiaga? Now, a soldier for no kwa. Omo mu shewrem ho mu tutu ade no. Omo no mu dipa o.
Yeah. Omo ya bade workers.
Bade workers. Okwakotu edura nwumra se 200 a ye de ahyehyɛ omo nsa omo kɔ. Omo de no. Nipa na omutu amano no wo hefa. Tiade na omo kwa wo me se wuduru ha se afani ka ne se bongum so mango nifa. So on yet no. Oya ene ye kwa ha se no akika je ene mamu nko time se wo de monte no makwa kofa ho. Omo free ho a no maba na omutu. Me say eye politicians both NDC NPP and na A2. No mo mutu no kese pa ye NPP for. Obo ye power sisan ya ebi ne NDC fo ni bi ye one. Ba yi wa say o padi ani mu ma ye nche na nipa no fronto ya nkrofo ne me kasa ye and Akufo Addo government me medi ani mu ma omo every week ska omo de bebre me na nye ska ketwa manye kamenya ska ni bi agumboto mu but manye last time me catch him wife say Nyankopon kasa kire me very deep because there were a lot of things I could have done to make money. Manye mu ba kokura.
Yes, so anka na wuntimi kasa.
Nka me dance wom de dada. Akufo Addo aban e de me koto nsa wom. Ebra me ne omo party ya na me kasa. Komo de me koto nsa wom. Eti me de me dim within me say galamsey ehonuyama ebi mfa me ho wo de ade ba sisi asabe nkasa I will talk adesene wo mo na omo ye dede no omo na etu nu mo enkrofo bi akwakọ gyina nso omo nya sika ohi na omo sisi apartment wo nkraze omo nya budro me say ensani bi ho no ma wo ka ne sisi ana effect ni yakituwa bi tama emu ayi beba pa no ebeba obi wie school onya adwumada all of a sudden I can say apartment in Accra prime areas edi asem ne yega no me ti anya hwe me started my teaching career 1987 January 2009 and me free classroom say me year active politics anya hwe no me kira de 20 years etimu wo public life who bet ma trace say nipa simasi adwuma say na no wo ye obi awie school onya hwe all of a sudden na mokoko yes ade we a mo sam dane mo ho aba eba be accuse innocent people why ela no mo pass e nkrofo mo call kwaye nu ma do mo tu no kokko check wo mo apunta man ne no mo allies no eya hifo eya NPP for na etoda Ghana has ye nya twom Karen Bishop Conference state of emergency mo ye hypocrites. You know say Wontumi na say adeno. You cannot call him. We know say Akufo Addo na de ela yibaya wo bobra ayimu. Dia sem na mo ka kire omo. Eya no mo ya ma ye buofu am ya no akwakopa. Adere da ho. Name and shame. Everyone know. Number Bejana state of emergency. Look, state of emergency bar. Area honor ya declare state of emergency. No. You are suspending 1992 constitution. Would woman right in the home. It is a will be required na soldier for bonutua. Mobile din na mass support to soldier for the Munko so more mutua and I say mobile criticize. They should stop this hypocrisy. They should stop it. Yes, state of emergency. It means say around that place. You cannot go. Who could a soldier for the soul? Muno last year. Muba Bekase, Eddie. Aremeyaw government elbow Ungravo. Eh? These are some of the things we need to look at. Yeah, you see. Well, Ghana, me nim senior. Nyankopon edi adwene no to yetim. Abroni betima hwe wani mu aka che say yes you are stupid. And so Ghana no. Obamu wan to stories ah.
Ah, ga fa na matter point na yetimi hwe nipa ni mu ka dokra. Chere no.
Ka di chere no. But so better two stories ah.
No de kwan wan.
Tiwana declare state of emergency declare
Obasa miracle say twa ne ho say state of emergency no is not a way to go. Afedo no e twa ne ho say
me say so over share a year Facebook so NPP for no post to 2024 river one of the rivers Enyatim wine 2025 anaye Milo
Mini baby omukwanya say picture free
within 9 months. And then so we are changing from here
to here
to that place. Hey, what kind of hypocrisy? Because control be here, say you should be ashamed of yourself. That picture no or more post to do was 2011. 2011 picture. And omude yes I know. Omo koko two banchi. Yes, mercury banchi munyade and Mahama. Hey. Na 9 months obi atimaba atimado fru edia banche amanabo hey abibi edia money nwadi anase dey sadi na mu post no is indictment on Akufo Addo na ban na ye look the national executives Kennedy Agyapong na the radio so bubo wo mudi Adichia no patututu no mu ewo difia kwako bugotoje. Pacho. Send ebe o mu bo mu din bio. It's well known. Say NPP, some of the national executives were involved in galamsey. It is a mercury ko banchi mu a. Eye hwan mu. Then you turn back and come and sit down and say hey, Mahamadu mercury ko banchi mu. Eni ade. We enya adambo. Enya adambo. Etime dia galamsey ni die me dia mesre aban attorney general anja hwe no Wontumi mwasonumu Wontumi so no musonumu no enye ndisi aban enkwa ne sonumu under NPP the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Honorable Samuel Abujinapo was akonta mine woni lances Kwaje dum na owo no ye illegal. Case closed. Case closed. Dr. Frimpong Boateng's report is there, black and white. It is a very taking it serious. Yes, wo illegal mining. What say ye kwaye any ade na kokojina court. Na judge no hwe evidence e wo honum. No waka say oh what say ye eye awudie enti ko ne kokko twiri mu a ebeye eye ama others no it is say we are political leader na say also we are involved we yam be show no the best thing government can do age too late say obeka say what all mining activities apart from the
large scale for no all small medium
for ni nyina no yen hoto yen fa 12 months and see anim say 12 months nobody is mining na yen fa a revival ye reverse no na yen fa reclaim lands ya say no after 12 months no also okay now will be ever be renew the license. No one renew. Unkofobi ohonomo a. Wotimu say do be ohonomo kita license wo edem ha say. Obehu ani say wadru American embassy honom say wo kwakutu.
Okotu.
Eden ya mi kita license. License no yede ma wo hefa. Wasi o enya ha de enya ha enso so okita license to obabetu. Can we live as a country like this? Wontimi nkwa brochiri enkonko say asase. Wodim sa brochiri ohun. Efi a wotim se biasi wanim. Na ekova na opese wotiri mu no kra na. Wan kasa wura dem fa second twa obetima akodam.
Yeah.
Gisa wo frɛ. Na authorities no ba. No mo aba behwe, no mo hu se de ombetiri mu na ma. Wan kasa you don't have any right. So be. So wa brochiri na say ma hu snake wakuno. It is what kuni pa ogana wo. What you say? Who kodam? Oh, emwa privileges omugo wa brochire no esen.
Enipa dia yet.
Me na be ka kire wo. Esen Ghana for. Na Ghana one
if you kun free.
Wonam na ebi kra wa charge kra da ho nko police twam ade obi amfiu. What you say? Na so mabroni hu se akura ehu aka kitua bi obesi afre ayi ambulance amoma be fa akura no e de na akọ veterinary amoma akọ treat
yeah be to are
oh yeah me nim what I'm saying
yeah
me call ayi ye can say baby abasa for oh Germany ayi what is this state me call you no madam for na me call so no then you guys say opro who said the pro di
afrusania
awurade obi achiba was you share
aha na abere wanu
ade chese ka shege de shege visa wonya biom in your lifetime wabudi na muosa ye bo mu bai esisi wo Ghana adenti ana yen nipa obi ti baabi a ye ade ama na affect no they say emfa ho because obi penisika a soldier for the beko police for the beko ya wai bia ma omo enu anu no so ho ne no no mo jai na nipa no ko say ohun 100,000 da ade bie so dia ma no aside that na nkasa no security agencies no so no some of them reported I don't want to believe but I think say omgo ko dru ho no na say omo skatia yi a omo sisa gold na omo de ahye omo omo mfama emma state no omo so omo njai sade no because we yes a wo ni omo mutu
eyi ni nyina
no mo ye pe so omo de no ti se mo ye bibi de ambo o mane de a ade mo nyimu yam na mo ndi de krenso so efanye na mo hu se ye agidin more than say ye be piska
okay
yeah and hope obi asori a obi pese oye popular no akoso hosi mu no atete na eye babode edin no me nadem ana me Hopeson ojaje those days more than the hey and I say grad dey say mutimi ma yebedro ha na opro first no na stations no sha enti odi agrope wunya bi nko enti utimi kokodru station ha before 6 o'clock news na uti ka mu a bo 8 na no mwuram na makwakoye mu program ya check from 2008 Saba Mrs. Sabri. Until Obia sorry, just like that. But no credit the Abeko. But we NPP now with you. Don't ever think say me metna set so. Me say oh NPP where the my idea me get big that in my life. Huh? Are you white to grab me say black? For you people.
And they
send me Becca Bibi at their favor. Me yet. Look, Beba Betra has say NDC government say Beba Becca said Tiano now NPP. Why not so fast? Me yet. I don't know. Me say me nitro. Me come out getting send yes it here. But pass me can be amana afivao. Oh, forget. I don't dare forget. Eti mo who me say, hey, ubeti me di matem send you pebia. I don't care. The start is here di matem eyene. Eyene. Right. Yes, from both political parties that the dia majiji yirano. Me matra atem didie. But me mam what ya say me die. Niye anameka. Okay. Kali Bishop for no conference for no. Name and shame. Akufo Addo na de airline no buy say nkonko say ye kwaye. Monka ho asem. Yeah. Wontumi akonta mani akọche ni say ono na say ye kwaye no bebre. Monka ho asem. Ene resto say yi na me hwe ne interview bi. Wo say ne NPP for frefre no. Wo mo information no mo fa mba hye aban. Ano say sa. Mo say kwaye na ye ka no na mo pami amo. Ene me ma mo information. Me fa ma mo ne me fa ma mo china. That is how we need to build this country.
Dabia yati haya no dami yenyina ye hese ye democracy. Enena ebo ye chidoma ye de nam as a country obi anim ye for no. Ye betimi ahyemo kena na ye mo aye den na etimi aboaye ma the kind of economic social dividends be person achieve as a country no ye nsabe kan. So at any point in time anything that threatens our democracy bia no I am not sure say obi ebe sore akaso or support it. So say opiti omamu no feel dissatisfied turn of event Nema air cost no free so beat it and a 500 so yes our Kwenya as Ghanaian because one copy second one copy two now see demonstration or by idea me I cannot begrudge Obia or say or me yes akra na a bit defeat UFS things that I have stood for in the past because like I said so be aggrieved that demonstrations, protestation are constitutional, legitimate tools. Obia betimi use are the best pressing in within the system. Mama who said things has to be done right, and your constitutional framework saw the need that almost slip those concept into our constitution. But they say, yeah, it's not about doing the demonstration. It is about the cause and the why. That demonstration. And on that, idea. And then NPP as a political party within 8 months our free power. 8 million the moral courage. 8 million now so to the people of this country say omo ye demonstration. Demonstration, you know, it's not about anything. Now mum yeah harass it or for sometimes you see when you way into such a conversation, and then there are a lot of things that about the question is in some no more cannot so ampa. Ukoma, there is absolutely no basis in any of these arguments because Nipa no mwachi omono. For instance, omobo Wontumi din. Yeah. Wontumi arrest and political witch and witch hunts and intimidation and way. This is a gentleman who or mine seeker over millions of dollars. Yeah. So on the Bayajumadi one yet. And that was one of the bases. This is Obia. What's some video kogu your friends a forest reserve ma o2 forest na man for some atom bia ma bosome so na na moso eje commission. These are the crimes of this gentleman and I know can who be and ma Yoko and other security agencies friend no investigating no. So kase ye intimidation on in what sense? Again, abronya issue by and you know you can say me the part that I'm happy with it and that prolonged stay now or stay here in police custody no I can't just say nipa no free so why born in 10 term na fa no court jail na be jail no open so here but this back and forth near the na share you say Black Maria say ye be so I am for twa ho ahia say the particular bi na be pia free. So at the end of the day, you are just using the state security machinery, advertising fools to become heroes. Because for the first time, the gentleman was on the front page of a newspaper.
Yeah.
I don't know, or that that's all about newspaper. So you are using the state machinery, what them free adverts for unwitty and unintelligent individuals. Capitalizing on this kind of idiotic politics just to rise to prominence. You don't use the state machinery to promote these individuals, and that is the side I maybe what issue with. But aside that, nobody so far are resting within the NPP and we bet me I say political witch hunt and I say intimidation. On what basis and this particular demonstration? And you see, and I make as a politics I don't know what young people are learning today, because there is no decency, there is no morals in our politics, because the MPP should be the last entity to lead a demonstration in this country. And now we were 8 months ago. Mranti omuti se omoye demonstration Oliver a victim. Yeah. Ya bono de kotom ya money bail cry say money bail because why demonstration. Your friend say me and Madam for Raf and other people. So far be no mon so far Okroma and several other individuals. You can intimidation and then your friend say assault to Okroma. Is this small boy out there your friend say social media don't find bongo ideas. A young boy out social media na otchere na drink as to whether he has capacity or not, you kidnap him from the room. Besin there when a kidnap him ni nim ni pakro. What this particular country, Mami are not here more airport. Besin there when they nim their coffee. These are clear cases of kidnapping and your friend is saying adoption. Even midst of that, the for a demonstration, said we were in a state of terror and intimidation. And as a form, it is a thing to say, what moral justification and because we are because in the first place, they were bold enough to walk into the Jubilee House in front. I could deliver a petition. Your friend saying, Chief of Staff for the Vice President na Okanyans Assembly omo nipa omo dwena me so sen komo je petition no kofie o se na de motimi aba beduru Jubilee House animu the petition breme we obi a nyansani nka abaje petition akofie cause asem na o kan no there was a time the whole Jubilee House animu ya flag is a no go area, a security zone, e mo obi anya demonstration ho yeah. And no one no mugu demonstration. Yeah. Now what is a police for Buobi? Police for gave them all the security here just to ensure that demonstrate. Yes, Monya exercise. Monya nobody assaulted anybody. Under their era, Kruma, the banner demonstration called Kruma Yamu bien to bien Kruma saying. And they were only advertising how incompetent they are. And I told you the MPP is a sinking entity. Omulusu power no. Adrinya mo mutim how to pause and say, hey, let us do proper reflection and save the party. And then Owusu Empire party. So it means that the center cannot hold as a political entity, and they need to spend time to look at the political party and make sure say but some of these things is so annoying. It doesn't portray a political party all pretty on wisdom. It's like emotions, that kind of nauseating way no more. Again, John Mahamadu Bawumia president 6 months. Yeah. Ghana for before money when say Onyam prosecutor Akromfo be we are exactly. And that is the anger Ghana for woman John Mahama. And it is a war can't so intimidate you. Sa Onyam started yet. Sa intimidation no more cano. And started yet. I feel never started. And doing him a psychological warfare no more wage on Ghanaians. So I'm way just to offset the upcoming offense spectre now. Because way now we are buying when stronger. A bit jittery in calling these people. So I psychological stand and I'm telling you, say I fall on the other side because Ghana for each one of them, and even people who are leading the demonstration, they are all possible jail candidates because they will all involved in some of these dirty, filthy scandals, corruption across Okroma. In the coming days, they are all going to have their day in court. Yeah. So I think psychologically they need to prepare themselves up because Jebe because John Mahama Baye within this there is intimidation, there is assault there. No reasonable person will swallow that particular kind of assertion I will make it because what is the basis? The very people now more Ghana for a person can buy a form. You see, John Mahama is the only person I'll be president. Yes, goodwill on his part, and there is nothing that he will do at this time against the NPP. Ghana for support. Yes. I'm telling you, even if you wake up today and also that Cromfono or the Omoboka 12 I'm telling you, Ghana for me too, Agyapong say. Because you don't know the sort of anger Ghana for what for this NPP and what they did. Well, we say Ohobona was signed to Tagum. And I think that they should just shut up and watch and let the system glide. You do baby, now near my air cost a clear case of intimidation. You and I can see. Yeah. Because when you're a fro, now won't your friends say yet you're more damn say you were just doing politics. I'm afraid Abroye. I'm detaining you beyond 48 hours. Me no tena hakaye. Say it was unnecessary, granting unnecessary audience in support because nipa no watch na. Make sure say watch on good grounds or kwa on mabie. Maybe that's my point. Now we are what no call ya by any not in the radio so I say. So what is the essence of that particular arrest? That's what I'm telling you. Say memeti we say ya o ya de na me se mechewa. Mebo modern ache on the grounds me fa wa na wo mabie. That's me. Me meche on flimsy excuses. And that is what the security agencies should learn. Don't just go and make an idiot popular on TV for just arresting them. Now I'm not camera say some hero be is coming. That is very annoying and very nauseating. Maybe they don't see. Maybe the TV will not be who's answer now. I will just give you what I say. So I think that the MPP and realize Nemo Maya Ukroma say understand that Ghana for persons are wake up. And I think that they should just shut up and allow your friends at the states to go through the various crimes and after all. So when you're born here, what is your problem? Because states no more damn so when you're but why you be here? That is how you begin doing some of these things. And the crimes of these people are quite obvious. I am telling you, John Mahama Nyan started and it's not as if he has a choice not to. For Ghana, for we are here watching our eyes like a bull's eye. Because the NDC 4 year way, will be judged based on the kind of prosecution because nothing say if these criminals don't go to jail or face prosecution, the Mahama government will never win the heart of the people anymore. And after 1 year, 2 years, Ghana for beside this critical question. So they should get ready. Say, I buy no baby prosecutor if they think that this is persecution. Prosecution properly is coming to start. And Ghana for support to go after these people. Look at this dirty scandals I shall say ever. Our NLA Nina Safonum. Now but Tina Chroma you saw a manpower this I'm class the same way Chroma. Now I'm for say, yeah, part in the no. And I am urging the president or any bio of a phone. And that's why we president also he should cause the arrest of that person because your man for and such person should not belong to this society because those are him for now so they were in this country, they saw it, but some were giving kickbacks and then as for they all kept quiet and allowed the system, and poor people were suffering in this country. Time has come to go after these people and start demonstration yes, our demonstration way because 8 months nothing has happened. When they arrested and ground on your fence legitimate grounds. Why are you intimidating? Why? All the individuals who have been caught so far were linked to specific issues of crime. You are not. Attorney General prepare the docket. I'm ready to know so court now. Go to court. You are not. But intimidation will have. Nobody has been intimidated, and I'm telling you that if they see this whole thing as intimidation, a rehearsal ever started because they should just wait for the movie now. Because your friends a free show. First, TV, free show. This is just a free show. The main show is about to start.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.